Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. I know some of you may be looking to take a break from the gram or want a fresh start. Either way, deleting your account is super easy to do, but it is permanent, so make sure you really want to get rid of it before following these steps. Alright, let's get into it. First things first. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and update it if there's a new version available. This ensures the delete option is there. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. This will bring up your profile page. Next, tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings near the bottom. Then tap Account Center. Choose Personal Details. Select Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. On the next screen, you'll see a list of any accounts connected to your phone number or email. Tap on the username of the account you want to delete. Choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Choose the reason why you are deleting the account. I choose Something Else option. Type in your Instagram password when prompted to confirm it's really you. Okay, this part is really important. Once you delete your account, do not log back into Instagram for 30 days. If you log back in within 30 days, your account will be recovered and not fully deleted. So be sure to stay off Instagram for a full month to make sure the deletion sticks. Lastly, tap Delete Account to complete the process. Your account is now scheduled for permanent deletion. It can take up to 30 days for it to be completely removed from Instagram systems. I hope this tutorial made it easy to understand how to delete your Instagram account for good. Let me know if you have any other social media tips you need help with. I'm always here to help you guys out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to support me. Catch you next time.